Hello everyone, myself Dr. Deepak Sonker, BCA department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture of components of a computer system. Every computer system has the following three basic components. The first one is input unit, the second one is central processing unit, and the third one is output unit. Input unit. These components helps user understand data and commands into a digital computer system. Data can be in the form of numbers, actions, commands, etc. The main function of input devices is to direct commands and data into computers. The computers then use their CPU to process this data and produce output. For example, a laptop keyboard is an input device that enters numbers and characters. Similarly, even a mouse can be an input unit for entering directions and commands. Other examples include barcode readers, magnetic link character readers, MICR, optical character readers, OCR, etc. Another example of input devices is touch screens. User can simply use these screens without using any other device to enter commands, from smartphone to ATM. Machines. These input devices are becoming very popular these days. Now, central processing unit, that is CPU. After receiving data and commands from the user, a computer system now has to process it according to the instruction provided. Here it has to rely on component called the central processing unit. The central processing unit CPU further uses these three elements. First is memory unit. Once a user enters the data using input devices, the computer system stores the data in its memory unit. This data will now remain here until the components of CPU processes. The memory unit uses a set of pre-programmed instructions to further transmit this data to other parts of the CPU. Now second, B, arithmetic and logic unit. This part of CPU performs arithmetic operations. It does basic mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, etc. Further, it can be performed logical functions like comparison of data. C part, control unit. This unit is the backbone of the computer. It is responsible for coordinating tasks between all the components of a computer system. This control collects the data from the input units and send it to processing unit depend on its nature. Output unit. The third and the final component of a computer system is the output unit. After processing the data, it is converted into a format which human can understand. After conversion, the output unit display this data to the users. Example of output devices include monitors, screens, printers, and speakers. Thus, output unit basically reproduce the data formatted by the computer for users' benefit. I hope you understand the topic components of computer. Please like, share and subscribe Tecnia TV. Thank you.